Today's video is brought to you by Curly Me. They sent me a 24-inch Burmese curly wig. It is super pretty. It is pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, basically pre-everything glueless wig. Per usual, you can see that the knots and everything look really great in the wig. It has this elastic band here for security at the back, as well as this comb, and then it has ear cutouts on each side of the wig. Really quickly, I'm going to show you what came in the box, which is just an extra elastic band, some lashes, and a wig cap. But if you want to see me install the wig, you got to keep watching. So if you're not new here, you know that I love glueless wigs. They're so simple to install. So I have my hair already braided going straight back into these braids here, and I'm just taking my little brush and just brushing back my edges. And this is like literally the only preparation that I have to do with my real hair. If you don't know how to do any braids, then you can do like a low ponytail or anything you want to. Next, I'm just going to take this wig cap and put it over my head. The wig cap is also optional. I just like to do it because my braids are never neat. And this helps make me feel like my hair underneath the wig is neater, so that's why I always do the wig cap like this. And then next I'm just going to take some cream makeup and put it all over it, because this is a little bit, or a lot of it, lighter than what I need. And so yeah, I'm just going to color the wig cap like so. Now the knots and everything on the wig are already bleached, as you can see, but I like to take a little bit of cream makeup and put it on the lace as well, just to help it blend a little bit more with my skin. And then I'm just going to take the elastic band. I made sure it was at the right, setting for my head, and then I'll slide it to the back and slide the wig on like so. And then I'm tucking in that comb in the back underneath my back braids. And literally that's all. The only thing you have to do is just adjust it. And I purposely didn't cut this clip so you can see in real time how quick and easy it is to install it. Like, there are no cuts, nothing. Like, literally just slide it on, adjust it over your ears, make sure it fits comfortably, and it's on your head and go. And so now take a look at these coils and these curls. They look super cute. I feel like Shirley Temple or whoever has like super curly hair, but it's so pretty and the hair is so soft. So I'm definitely excited to get ready to style it. As much as I love pre-pluck and pre-cut wigs, they never come far down enough to cover up my baby hairs on the side. I have kind of a little bit of a lower hairline on the side. I think someone mentioned it was like a Legos hairline or what have you. I have a Diona hairline, but I'm just gonna take some baby hairs out of here and cut them just to cover it up. Like, now really it's not showing too bad. I don't have to do this, but I like how wigs look with baby hair, especially curly wigs. I feel like it adds a little something extra to it. That's just my preference. So I'm just taking some gel, I'm swooping the edges. I try not to make them too thick, and so that they look more natural and not super crazy. Now, because I added baby hairs, I like to take a little bit of Eben spray to spray right behind the hairline where the baby hairs is. That's what I do to try to get it to stay in place a little bit. And then I use like the excess spray to rub across the front of the lace so it like melts into my skin and doesn't look ashy. You don't have to use spray to do this. You can use cream makeup, which I'm also going to use a little bit later, but I like to do both. And then I'm just going to dry it for a little bit so it can set in place. Now, like I said earlier, I'm just taking a little bit of cream makeup and rubbing it across the hairline just to help everything blend seamlessly, and literally that's everything that I'm going to do to it. Next, I want to take my wide tooth comb because I kind of want to show you the hair in two different ways. So the first way here is like without any product. I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm fluffing out the hair all the way down until I get to the coils at the end. I don't want to comb through the coils just yet because I do want to show you like the different options that you have to wear it. So you can wear it like this without it being fluffy, or you can wear it like this side where it is fluffy. The choice is yours, but I honestly prefer it like when it's fluffy and big. So I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and puff out the other side, or fluff it out. Now I'm just taking my fingers and I'm gently pulling apart just a couple of the coils. I didn't want to pull apart all of them because I kind of wanted you just to get the idea of what the coils look like and all the different options that you have to wear it, but you can certainly pull them apart just a little bit. I'm just taking my fingers and unraveling them. You don't want to comb through them. because then that's gonna ruin the look and you'll have to like recoil it. But I did just pull it apart. And now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting just a little bit of face framing layers around the front. Lastly, I'm just taking a little bit of shine spray and spraying on the hair that I fluffed out. Again, I didn't want to put water or mousse on it just yet because I wanted to wear it in this fluffy state here so you can kind of just see the different options, but I didn't want it to look dry, so I'm rubbing the shine spray through my hair. And so this is what it's looking like, and I kind of like this style and this look. It looks really cute, especially with the coils at the end. Like, it's really different, it's really fluffy, it looks really full. The hair is extremely soft and pretty, and I love this so much. And you can like push the hair to either side, you can do a side part or what have you, but next I'm going to show you what the hair looks like defined. Alrighty, so yes, it is another day. I had to come back and show you what it looks like defined. As you can see, I do wear the hair like this in this state without defining it, but I was curious for myself. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just drench one side of the hair in water and take some mousse just to get it completely saturated so that I can like brush through it and define the curls. So I do want to mention that I tried a couple of different techniques to get the coils back. The first is pushing my brush up against the hair like so, and then curving it at the ends to make the curls pop. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is kind of just finger coil each of the individual strands. Now the strands that you see there that look kind of straight, only thing I had to do was just like scrunch them with my fingers if I wanted to get them wavy. But because I want more of a coil, I'm actually just going to take my finger and coil it around those pieces to give that spring back into the hair. Now I'm just taking my blow dryer with the diffuser tip on it, and I'm diffusing the hair on the cool setting because I do want to get a little bit of the fluffiness back into the hair while it's still defined. And lastly, I'm just taking some free spray and running it along the front of my hairline, and then getting my hot comb and just pushing my hairline back a little bit so I can get kind of that lifted look. And I know you see me burn myself, that crap hurt. But anyways, beauty is pain, I guess. Had to do what I had to do, but I feel like this just makes the hair shape my face a little bit better. That's why I like doing this. Alright, so this is the final look, and I really love how the curls came out. Like, they look defined at the top. I still have my coils at the bottom. This is what it's looking like from the back. It's still a little bit damp. It's not dry all the way. The hair does get poofier, but pretty much this is how I like to wear it, like this. I think it's prettiest like this. So you can see like the hairline and everything. It looks really nice. You can part the hairline in any direction that you want to. And this hair is really nice and soft and full and fluffy. So definitely check it out. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.